In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Yahoo Mail verification code problem. If you are stuck waiting for a code that never shows up, don't worry, we'll walk through clear, practical fixes to get you signed in smoothly. First, make sure the phone you are expecting the code on is ready to receive messages. Turn off Do Not Disturb or Focus modes. Confirm you have a strong cellular signal and check that your device isn't set to block unknown or automated senders. Also, verify that the number you are using is a mobile number. SMS verification codes cannot be sent to landline numbers. So if the number on file is for a landline, the code will never arrive by text. If you've requested a code, wait a full 5 minutes. Sometimes carriers or email systems experience brief delays. After 5 minutes, click Resend to generate a fresh code. Avoid spamming multiple requests back to back, since too many attempts can cause temporary rate limits. If the code still doesn't arrive, on the verification screen, choose Try another way to sign in. Switch from SMS to email, or from email to SMS. Depending on what you tried first, using the alternate method often gets around temporary issues with one delivery channel. If you can access your Yahoo account settings, open the security section and confirm your recovery options are up to date. Make sure your phone number is current and entered correctly, including the country code if applicable, and that your recovery email is an address you can access right now. Outdated details are a common reason for missed codes, so correcting them can prevent future sign in problems. Next, consider your browser. Cache data or old cookies can interfere with sign-in flows. Clear your browser's cookies and cache. Then try again. If that doesn't help, switch to a different browser or an incognito window to rule out extensions or stored data getting in the way. As you work through these steps, keep things simple, ensure the right device and number are set. Wait the recommended time before resending. Try the alternate verification route, verify your recovery info and security settings when possible, and refresh your browser environment if needed. Taken together, these actions solve most verification code issues without additional tools or complicated troubleshooting. That's it, you now know how to fix the Yahoo Mail verification code problem and prevent it from slowing you down next time. If this helped, be sure to follow these same checks whenever you update your recovery details or switch phones. Thanks for watching.